Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let me discuss about the process image contrast enhancement using color and depth histograms. Let me discuss about the abstract of the process. So in this process, the main concept is the enhancement of the low contrast image using histogram modification. So basically, image enhancement process deals with improving the quality of the images, that is increasing the contrast, removing the unwanted pixels, like that. So here we are processing on the increasing the contrast of the input image. So first we are constructing a depth image using the left and the right view of the same color image. Then after that we are calculating the histogram for the depth image and the low contrast image obtained. So now we are finding where the histogram has to be modified so that the image looks enhanced. So for that we are applying the GMM estimation in order to find the pixels that are needed to be replaced. Then after that the identified histogram difference is added to the image, producing an enhanced color image from the low contrast image. Then after that we are measuring the PSNR value and the MSE value between the images. The PSNR value indicates the enhancement of the image, that is, if the PSNR value is high means the noise in the image has been reduced much, and if the PSNR is low means the noise in the image is high, like that. So just we are calculating the PSNR value and the mean square error value for the input and the output images. So the mean square error value describes the error rate of the proposed system. So as we can see, the obtained PSNR and the MSE values shows that the proposed algorithm shows better results, and the proposed system has better results compared to the existing process. Let me see the flow of the process. The main aim of the process is to design an enhanced color image from the input color image. So for that we are developing a depth image from the input color image using stereo vision method. So this gives the density map, dispositive map, which represents the difference by the corresponding points in stereo pair. Then after that we move on to the HSI transformation for the RGB image. This HSI transformation gives us the hue, saturation and intensity components of the image separately. Then we are calculating the histogram values for the HSI transformed image and the depth image obtained. So after that we are estimating the histogram values for the HSI and the depth estimate values. Then based on that we are obtaining the layer partitioning results. Then after that we are mapping that to the original image, and finally we are getting an enhanced color image. So we obtain an enhanced color image from the low resolution low contrast color image given as an input. Let me see the execution of the process. So if you want to run the code, select the file main.m, which is located in the source code folder. Click on run file, the user interface in order to run the code. So choose any one of the input images that is given in this. So I am giving this image. So when I click it, both the left and right view image that I have stored is displayed here. Then after that we have to construct the depth image. For that we need some parameters. So set any parameters here. So I am giving this as this value, and I am changing this as this value. Then select any one of the color channel, then select gray shade or a color shade. So if you give gray shade means it will done, if you give color shade means it will run. So when I am choosing color shade, then I give OK. Then So the process is loading. After that, then you click on depth image. So the input image and the obtained depth image is got. So if we have given the gray shade, the gray shade of this depth image will be given. Then we construct the low contrast image from the original color image. So this is the low contrast and this is the depth image. So we are going to enhance this low contrast image based on the histogram modification between these two images. Then after that, we are going to enhance the image. So first apply her HSI transformation to the low contrast image. Then after that, we are calculating the histograms for both of the images. Then after that, we are estimating that histograms on these images. Then after that, we are applying the layer partitioning of the low contrast and the depth image. Then after that, we are enhancing the input image. So as you can see, the original image is this and the enhanced image is this. So we get an enhanced image and we get some more details about the information in the image. So finally, we are measuring the performance of the process. So as a performance, we are calculating the PSNR value and the MSI value for this process. So since this process is an enhancement process, so we go on to the PSNR and MSI value calculation as a performance measure. So when you click on this, so this values will be displayed here. So this is the PSNR value and this is the MSI value obtained. Then after that, this is the PSNR value comparison between the existing and the proposed system, and this is the MSI value comparison between the existing and the proposed system. As you can see, the MSI value is decreased and the PSNR value is increased. Hence we conclude that in this process we have enhanced the low contrast image based on the depth image obtained from the images using the histogram modification process, and we are measuring the performance by comparing the PSNR and the MSI values. Thank you.